Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the bubbling world of fermentation. You've probably heard about it, seen it, or even tasted it. But do you know how it works and what magic it does to your food? Let's unlock the secrets together. First things first, what is fermentation? It's one of the oldest food preservation techniques in the book, and it's all about those tiny, unseen microbes doing their thing. When you ferment food like cabbage into sauerkraut or milk into yogurt, you're essentially creating a playground for good bacteria. Now, why should you care? Well, besides adding a punch of flavor, fermented foods are a powerhouse of probiotics. Those friendly bacteria that keep your gut healthy and your immune system strong. And who doesn't want a bit of that? Let's start with sauerkraut. All you need is cabbage and salt. That's it. Slice the cabbage thinly, sprinkle it with salt and massage it until it starts to sweat. Yes, you heard that right. The salt draws out moisture, creating the perfect environment for fermentation. Pack it tightly into a jar, let the liquid cover the cabbage and seal it off. In about a week or so, you've got yourself homemade sauerkraut. Now, onto yogurt. Begin with milk, any kind will do. Heat it up just before it boils, and then let it cool to lukewarm. Mix in a spoonful of live yogurt. That's your starter culture. Wrap it up cozy, keep it warm, and let it sit overnight. By morning, the milk transforms into creamy, tangy yogurt. Simple, right? But here's the cool part. Both these processes aren't just about preserving food. They transform the flavors entirely. Sauerkraut gets its tangy kick and crunchy texture, while yogurt becomes creamy with a hint of tartness. It's like a flavor makeover. And there you have it, a peek into the fascinating world of fermentation. Give it a try, experiment with flavors, and maybe, just maybe, you'll fall in love with the process as much as the result. After all, there's a little bit of science, a touch of art, and a whole lot of flavor in each jar of fermented goodness. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the world of food is as exciting as you make it. Dive into fermentation and let your taste buds party with every bite.